What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game from Big J Snow Removal and Lawn Care. And today, I want to talk to you guys about how I got started in the lawn care business, all right? So if you got some time, stick around. We going to get to it. Let's go. Hey, good morning, y'all. It's a beautiful morning. And I mean beautiful. Been raining for 10 days straight. 10 days straight. It's finally looking good, bruv. It's finally looking good. But what I want to do today is talk to you guys about how I got started. Right? Now, what you got to understand is I've been cutting grass for a long time, though, since a kid. So I already knew how to just cut grass. Never really was good at weed whacking, edging, but I knew how to cut grass. I knew I used to, once I was done, I used to take my broom and just sweep the grass back into the grass like Grandpa told me. And that was it. But as far as knowing how to, cut grass, nah, I had to educate myself. So we gonna talk about that too. Had to educate myself. But I was working a regular job, man. I was I was doing osmosis utilities, digging holes for almost about 2 years, in and out of hotels, on the road heavy, on the road heavy, missing the family. It was rough, but it was a cool job. But then COVID hit, right? COVID hit and things just got a little weird. I really didn't want to be around people like that no more. Too much coughing around me. We in the truck, everybody coughing, and they could just have allergies or like just now, I almost cough, dry throat, whatever. But they had us so freaked out and messed up here, man. I had to get away. So I remember the supervisor sent out a memo and was like, yo, listen guys, it's COVID. If you don't feel safe, if you need to take some time off, do it. But I didn't do it right then. I waited a little bit, tried to make some more money, tried to build up the 401k a little bit. I tried to. And then I stepped off respectfully, right? Didn't come back though. Didn't feel like hitting the road no more. I had my 401k, my taxes had hit that year. I was cool for a little bit. But I didn't have a plan. So I jerked that money off big time. Broke. Dead broke. Right? It snowed that year too. Okay? We got like 2-3 days worth of snow that year. I'm in Philadelphia. We got hit bad. Right? Light bulb went off in my head. I went shoveling all day. I'm talking about, man, I got up at like 7 a.m. I had 1 bag of salt in my book bag, a good shovel, a scraper, good boots, good jacket, good headgear. Once it get warm, I don't even use gloves. So I had my gloves, but I don't use gloves really like that. But I do, you're supposed to. But and I got to it, man. I probably did about, no lie, I was in like one little area. I probably did about maybe 20 houses. At least 20. And I made a lot of money. I made some bread, yo. Like I was kind of happy with that a little bit. I was happy with that because a lot of them houses, I was in like the East Oak Lane area. They were pretty big houses, man. And I was getting like $40-$50. People was like, yo, I was doing big driveways and I was doing big stuff, man. So I made a lot of money. I can't really think. I know it was at least almost about 4, all right? And we talking about 1 day worth of work. I bust my behind, but that was damn near what I was seeing at Osmos in a week, maybe about 5 a week. So already knew right then and there, this is going to be my grind in the winter. I said that, right? When the past spring came around, I'm getting text messages. Hey, you do lawn care? Hey, you do lawn care? Like yo, like at least 5 or 6 people, right? But I'm not answering them though. I'm like, I don't do no lawn care. I'm not, no, right? Weeks go by. I'm riding around, whatever, and I'm seeing everybody with their cool trailers with the lawn mowers. I'm seeing guys in the yard cutting with their green shirts on with the weed whack. I'm like, man, okay. Still not really registering. So I don't know how, but I came across a video from a guy, like I think his name was Mike Andes, right? And it's a couple other guys too. I'm gonna shout them out too, but he was the main one. And this man said something about how solo lawn care guys should be making about like 100,000 or something crazy like that. I don't know, it's something crazy. But I kind of start tapping in with him. I start tapping in with these YouTube guys. And these guys are damn near rich, bruv. Millionaires off cutting grass. Little comps front and back. Little, right? So I said, wait a minute. Hold up. So this is when I started educating myself. How to do this. How to do that. And I looked up that, and then bam. It's like orientation at a job. You know, when they leave you in that room with that laptop or that TV, that's what I looked at this as. Like, this was orientation, right? YouTube University was my orientation, right? So once I built my confidence up, like I built it up to the point, I'm like, yo, I'm ready, right? I went on Facebook Market, found the weed whacker, all echo, weed whacker, hand blower, Toro lawnmower, and I went and got a sign, and I was working out of a Chevy Impala, working on my girl Chevy Impala, right? Messing that joint up, lawnmower hanging out the back, grass price still in the back of the trunk, wherever that car is, and yeah, I purchased it, and I went and I got to it, right? Now, mind you, I already had people from the snow, so I tackled them first, right? A couple of them was like, nah, I already got it cut, but I got your number, boom. But some of them was like, yeah, like, come. So I did my first yard. Now, mind you, these people already had pretty grass, and I already seen on YouTube, keep your height at the same height every time, right? And they was like, if the grass is like, say if the grass is like 3 inches, bruv, cut it down to 2.5. That's it. 2.5. Boom. So that's what I was doing. And I was winning. I was doing my thing. But you know what happened to me? I didn't educate myself on how to fix my equipment when something happened. So once the string trimmer went out on me, I didn't know how to put the string back. I remember one time I turned off my gas switch because I kept moving my lawnmower around, right? I turned my switch off and forgot. So I'm doing the yard, and I'm like, wait, what's going on? I thought the lawnmower broke on me. Do you know I stopped, loaded that up, went all the way home and got my other lawnmower? Whole time I supposed to just turn the switch and so educated, man. I wasn't educated on that. So education is very, very important with this thing, bro. Educate yourself. Don't think you're gonna go out here and not know what you're doing, just cut somebody's yard, because you better believe they watching. Man, they watching every movement, bruv. Either on the ring camera or they in the blinds. Yeah, no, they in the blinds. So that's how I got started. That's really how I got started. You know what I mean? So far as like my clients, I just worked off my snow people, and then my family, they was so proud, and they was, giving me some looks. So that was dope. And but after that, I turned my game all the way up. Like I said, I named Mike Andes, and it's like 4 or 5 other guys who I kind of like just stole their whole blueprint. And if these guys got flyers and all that, I bought it. They got contracts, I bought it. You know what I mean? Like all the apps they said to use, I did it. And I'm gonna tell you guys about that. I got you. But I just wanted to give y'all some game on just how I got started, bro. COVID hit. I had to leave. I started shoveling snow. I made some money. I left my number with these people. Spring came around. They called me. I said no. I don't know what I'm doing, but then I started seeing other guys do their thing, getting money, and that's what this is about. It's about business, so we trying to make money. So I educated myself. I went and bought some cheap equipment, and I got to it. And I got to it. That's it. You just gotta go get to it. That's it. It's no rap. If you saying this what you want to do, then you just gotta go get it, man. And I'm just leave it at that. I got plenty more to talk to you guys about, but I just felt as though I had to share this right here. All right, because I get guys all the time. They be like, "Yo, like, what equipment do I need? Do I need a zero turn? Do I need this? Do I need that?" Bruv, educate yourself. All right, seriously. Like, grass needs to be cut every day, for one. For two, I'm in Philly, so I don't need no zero turn or no super big lawnmowers, because I can go to the Northeast and do a cool, calm front and back, 10 minutes, $35, $40. I'm out. Little calm small jawn for about 5 minutes, $25. I'm out. All right. Educate yourself. You know, work your market, figure out where you at, because it's a lot of money in this, bruv. But you also gotta love what you do, because this ain't easy. I've been out here since 6 o'clock trying to figure out how I'm gonna orchestrate this and how I'm gonna break this down. My iPhone kept saying no storage. You know what I mean? I gotta get ready to load the truck up in a second and get ready to get up out of here. Is you willing to get up at 5 and put the schedules together, or sit up late at night to put them schedules together? This is I do everything, man. Answer the phone, set up the scheduling, go cut the grass, talk to the people, do the quotes, service my equipment, wash the truck, clean the truck. I do everything, bro. Because I choose to. I got my young boy too, but I choose to do everything too. Don't get that messed up. It's nothing like doing it yourself. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm getting off. But that was some game right there. Hopefully you guys, you know, can rock with that. Or get something out of that. I'm sorry. Get something out of that. And I got more. I got a lot more. So tune in. I'm gonna be dropping a lot. All right. You guys can check me out at www. Man, who says that anymore? ContactBigJ.com. That's my website. I'm gonna put it right here for you. And that's it. That's it, man. I'm trying to get used to this YouTube thing. I do music, so I've always, you know, done my music and did this rap thing, which is easy. But now talking to you guys and doing it like this is new. So work with me. Let me know how man. Let me know how I'm doing. Yeah, man. Let me know how I'm doing, man. All right. So listen, it's James with the gang. We got 15 yards to do, and that's what we gonna do. Peace.